Today, we will discuss Open Project and Asana. Both systems enable the development of project plans as well as methods for tracking those plans' advancement. As a result, they all strive toward the same goal of assisting teams in efficiently managing their workload regardless of deployment and customization variations. Now let's examine the main features of these two platforms. One of Open Project's primary benefits is that it is open source. This has increased user autonomy, customization, and transparency. It enables self hosting, which is crucial for companies with stringent data privacy policies. Open Project offers the option of non premises installation along with data authority. Asana is renowned for its intuitive user interface. Its user-friendly design makes it ideal for a broad spectrum of consumers, including people who might not be tech-savvy. Asana has a wide range of tool integrations that increase its adaptability and functionality. Asana's mobile app is incredibly strong and well designed. All in all, the goal of both Asana and Open Project is to increase team productivity, simplify project management procedures, improve the way you communicate, make the project's progress visible. As a result, they all strive toward the same goal of assisting teams in efficiently managing their workload, regardless of deployment and customization variations.